Hi everyone. Here we are in the preparatory Book A of Succeeding at the Piano, the All-in-One Approach, page 39. Here the students are reviewing their guide notes. The three guide notes of middle C, treble G, and bass F. Let's make sure that our students say those particular guide notes many times during the lesson so they've really reinforced the names of them as well as where they are on the two staffs. So Papa Haydn is right there, and he is just helping our students to understand where those guide notes are again. And our little drip, drop, roll icon is there at the end of the piece. And this icon will show up throughout Succeeding at the Piano so that the students remember when they can use that particular physical gesture. So when the students get to that nice blocked fifth interval, we can ask them to drip into the keys, drop to the point where they feel that nice sense of arm weight released, and then they can roll forward and off the keys. So that's the ending of this lovely piece called Guide Notes. And the Musicality Girl reminds our students to play on the outside tip of your thumbnail, so not on that flat side of your thumb, because that causes the wrist to twist, which we don't want. And notice your 8 knuckles. They look like 8 little hills. So you'll notice that when you see these 8 little hills on the page, I'm just reminding our students to see those knuckles on top of their hands so they have a really nice strong bridge. On page 40, here's City Sounds. Here the students are again reviewing the same 3 guide notes. They're also reviewing that drip, drop, roll motion in these blocked fifths. And students have to think about what the sound is from this piece. Forte, right, which is nice and big and warm. You'll notice that I don't say forte means loud. I don't like the idea of a loud sound at the instrument because the student might attack the keys. So instead, that's why I say big and warm. There's a time to compose activity at the end of the page, and he asked the students, can you make up a piece using guide notes? Add the pedal to hear different sounds. So again, when students are doing their own compositions, have the students repeat their piece over and over again throughout the week so that they can come back to the lesson with a truly finished piece. They can add a title to it, and then they really take ownership of the concept as well as their piece.